Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started for C++ intermediate course. Myself, Shekhar Metla, I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. I have worked with the various technologies of coding and database and application analyst levels. So, to how to collect the requirements from the user, how we can modify making an app, real world app way, how we can convert the code, these all our expertise is added in this particular course. So why are you late? Come to the introduction. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down video lectures for complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use of practical exercises. How to get and help. Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques you have to apply. Submit your questions on asking QA forum for detail on what you have tried with a screenshot of error code practiced by you. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is to review video with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Review certain information by reading examples of parts of video sessions you have seen in the current video lectures. And I strongly recommended how the curriculum is prepared. The same way you have to follow the video lectures. Then only you will understand very keenly a step-by-step process you are going to making from scratch to the intermediate completion level. I strongly welcoming you inside the course. Thanking you.